These are Pop-Em scenes used with, here they are right here, and used with Cosmic Shimmer Crackle paste, come in these nice little jars, from Creative Expressions for a really fun look. So we'll look at this a little bit more in just a moment. We'll start with these Pop-Em scenes. So let me just show you, here's what you can create. If you combine the Pop-Em scene with Crackle paste, which you see in the background, you get this really fun look. And this scene is made of chipboard pieces. You're going to pop them out. You can cover them with paper. You can add Crackle paste to the background, and this is the look that you get. So let's take a look at the pop-up scenes and what you get in there. That's one of them. Let me show you this again in just a moment. Each Pop-Em scene has die-cut pieces from a base of chipboard. You can ink, you can paint, or cover with papers. So we have a heart and we have a sailboat. So let me show you the heart one. So here it is. This is what you get. You open up the package, you have this piece on the front, and that's all it is. It just shows you the inspiration of what you can do with this. So this has, the heart kit has 32 die cuts, and that includes the base. So here's a base that you will pop out of this sheet, and then you will pop out each individual piece of these little chipboard pieces. They do just pop right out because they are laser cut and they are ready to go. And then you can go ahead and ink them. You can paint them, or you can cover them with papers. So that's what was done with this. Each of those pieces was covered with papers individually. So you get these nice paper covered pieces, and then they were just glued in place. The base was inked first, actually, was inked with a nice, kind of a light pink, and then Cosmic Shimmer Crackle paste was added. This one is the ivory, and when you take it out of the jar, you just spread it on. You can paint it onto your background. It will be smooth, but as it dries, it cracks, and it takes up the color of the ink that's behind it. So that's the Cosmic Shimmer paste. And this has, let's see, how many ounces? So I didn't get to take a look at that. So let me just look at that for just a moment. But the Pop-Em scenes heart, you've got the heart and you've got the sailboat. The sailboat is the same in that you get these pieces, but with the sailboat, you're going to get 14 die-cut pieces. The base piece for each is about 4 inches by 6 inches, so that's going to be the finished size of your piece. And there's the sailboat, and again, the Crackle paste used on the back. And this one is called Frosted Sky. So that's just a beautiful blue look. And it's going to give you that beautiful look, and it is 75 milliliters, each one of these little bottles, Ivory and Frosted Sky. I just think that's a fun look. It's something that you can use as a fun wall hanging or for mixed media, for table decor. And that Crackle paste you can use in lots of different areas, on cards, mixed media. It's really perfect for that. So really fun, and you can do those with the Pop-Em scenes from Creative Expressions.